everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a really exciting video for you all. We're doing well, basically I don't know really what to call it. I did call the actual video Get Ready With Me Hair Edition, but it's more of a like talking about all my new favourite hair things and doing like a haul from Riri hair extensions. Okay, so basically it's just showing how I clip in my extensions, because I know a lot of people have been asking and they've been interested in my extensions and a lot about Riri hair extensions, so I thought I'd just do a whole video telling you about them, telling you what I love. So basically I just want to put out there, first of all, I never was going to be like, I just want to put out there I'm an ambassador for them now, but I wasn't originally. So basically I was really researching hair extensions all over the place, just clipping ones, because I really wanted some, because my hair used to be so long, and then when I dyed it blonde I wanted to get it cut a lot, because obviously like it was bleached and it was went horrible at the bottom. I found Riri hair extensions. I was like, oh my god, their website looks amazing, their thing looks like, their hair looks amazing, and then it turns out they have a store in Bluewater, which is really close to me. Also just putting out that they do have an online store and a shop in Harlow in Essex, Lakeside in Essex, Thurrock, and Bluewater in Greenhive, Dartford, Grays. Anyway, so I went into Bluewater, and this is when I had my other hair. They kind of still match now, they're just a bit yellow. I bought these curly ones and 2 straight ones. I bought these out of my own money, these weren't gifted, and I just was like, I fell in love with them. And they have a 3 for 2 offer, so if you buy 3 hair extensions you get the price of 2. They are £25 each, so I spent £60 on 3 hair extensions with the 3 for 2. Oh no, I didn't, hang on, I spent £50 on 2 hair extensions with the 3 for 2. Out of my own money. Anyway, I put them on my Instagram, posted a picture with them, and Riri actually, well, I don't know who it actually was, but the brand actually contacted me and was like, do you want to be an ambassador, blah blah. So the things I'm about to show you in the bag are gifted to me. I did not pay for them, and also I do have a code with them, so any hair extensions you buy off of Riri, or anything you buy really, you can actually get money off with my code. So my code is summertil10. I'll put it on the screen now so you can use that code, and it does get you money off. It is also affiliate code, so I do get like literally a tiny little bit of money off of it. So if you do use it, it's helping me out a bit. So comment down below if you do use it, and I'll follow you on Instagram. Okay, so I went to the Bluewater shop and the lovely lady gifted me some things. So I'm going to be talking to you about them, and then I'm going to show you how to clip them in, how you can care for them and stuff like that. So if you do want to get some Riri hair extensions, then you can just watch this video and see if you do. So I just want to point out their bags. I feel like they're very luxurious, do you know what I mean? Very luxurious, do you know what I mean? Like, they just look nice. Very simple but luxurious. They did give me 2 normal hair extensions. So the first one they gave me, oh by the way, these are the normal extensions, and the ones I'm about to show you are the deluxe. These are in shade California Blonde, these are in shade light golden blonde. And if you don't have a store near you, you can actually DM Riri, send them a picture of your hair in natural daylight, and they can give you a completely free colour match. They answer all DMs, so make sure you do that. These are my straight hair extensions, so I do actually need to make my hair blend in with them a bit better, but these are actually really gorgeous and I love them. These are the 24-inch ones. Then they did also give me the curly hair extensions, deluxe ones, in 20-inch. Okay, and the curly one's definitely my favourite. Like, this is one out of the bag. Also, you can buy these really nice coat hanger things. You have to actually hang up your things, so like you can't just like throw them in a box and be like that, because they'll get crumpled up, knotted, etc. And so you do have to hang them up. Obviously if you don't want to buy these are only £2.50, so I just recommend just buy them. You can just use any coat hanger to hang them up with, as long as it's a clipped one and you can hang them up. So yeah, I absolutely love these. Well, I haven't got these ones out in specific, but and deluxe ones do feel a lot better than the other ones, but obviously it's not that much different, do you know what I mean? And then they did give me, it's come out of the packet a bit, they gave me a ponytail. They gave me a ponytail. Now, I don't think I'm meant to get that shade because I'm actually a light gold. Okay, also I didn't realise this is quite a very short, like my hair in a ponytail is quite a lot longer than this, like, so I don't really know. But I suppose that would look really cute, so I could just tie my hair in a bun and then clip this over it. They do longer versions of it. I think what you do is you actually tie that round your hair and then clip it on. Next thing I have to show you is like makeup-y bits. They do makeup-y bits. Not really actual makeup, more like accessories. So they do lashes. They do so many styles of lashes. And I'm actually gonna start wearing lashes again. Basically, I don't really do eye makeup anymore, but I do wear mascara, and I don't like having big lashes, so I thought I'd go for some of the natural ones. These are called Au Natural, and they just look like this. I'll do a close-up for you. They look like that. They're just very natural. These are very affordable for lashes. The box is so like glamorous and cute, and oh, they are mink lashes, so if you are cruelty free, you cannot buy these. And oh, I like this. It says have a fab lash day. That's cute. Love Riri. And you just get the little box and you pull them out. This little lever. I like that. They look very posh. And then they actually have some like little bits and bobs they gave me. This is a really cute makeup bag. I will definitely be using this. Honestly, I just can't get over how like luxurious their stuff is. Do you know what I mean? Logo is really nice on there. It's just a clear makeup bag. And then inside they have some little bits and bobs. So you get this eyelash curler here, just a gold eyelash curler, and I love eyelash curlers, honestly. They just make such a difference when you wear mascara. Obviously everyone knows a good eyelash curler, it just clamps down. And then it also comes with some eyelash applicators. These are so much easier to put your lashes on with. So they just look like this, and on them they say Riri Mink Lashes. Then they gave me some beauty scissors. And they're just normal gold scissors. That's everything I have to show you. Just make sure to follow me on Instagram and make sure to use my code SUMMER10 for money off. Now I'm going to be showing you how I put the extensions in, if you didn't know. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I clip in my hair extensions, because there's a lot of like unclear videos on YouTube of it, so I thought I'd try and do it as clear as I can. So basically, when you get your hair extensions, what you do is you make sure you brush them with the Riri brush. This is a bit got hair in it, but you always have to brush from the bottom up, so like that, to keep them in good condition. Anyway, so what you do is you see this little band here, and you have these things here. Now don't do what I did and just put them in like that, because they fall out. Anyway, you've got to get them and go. So basically you open them all up. Hopefully you can see that. This is already clearer than all the videos on the internet. And then obviously when you put them in, I'm just going to show you because you won't be able to see when it's in my hair. You will have to go like this. So that's how you unclip. And if they feel like you aren't unclipping them, you go right to the edge and just pull. Like if you think you're going to break it, you aren't. So yeah, make sure they're all unclipped, and now we're actually going to put them in our hair. So then you need to take as much as you can. So make sure that it has that. And make sure there's like you can feel the line going across. It doesn't really matter if it's straight, it's not like the end of the world. So yeah, just see how much hair I've taken. Make sure there is a bit at the back and a bit at the top. So now, to put them in, so they can just keep, this hair can keep out the way because we won't be needing that yet. Just tie it around in a bun. You can even put a hairband around, but I've got these little clip things. And you just clippity them in. Now you get your extensions, and make sure they are unclipped, because otherwise it just won't work. And you put them behind your hair. Okay, so now you put them into your hair, make sure they are definitely unclipped, and you start off on the side, clip, and then do on the other side so it just, you know, it's staying in, clip. Again, make sure it's as stretched as you can get, and then get the ones in the middle, and make sure that you go down, clip. And then that's how you get your extensions. So the curly ones do blend in a lot better than the straight ones do, but I'm honestly obsessed. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I actually am getting into hair a lot more now. I've got these extensions that I find hair really fun to do. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out Riri's and use my code SUMMER10. Again, it will be on the screen, if I can remember to do that. And yeah, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, the links will be down below for everything I showed, and yeah, love you, bye.